Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends on Roblox application. To add friends on Roblox, launch the Roblox app open on your phone and then make sure that you're signed in. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the search icon at the top right corner and in the search box type in the name of your friend you want to add. After searching for the person's username, you will be able to see the search result. Simply go ahead and find the right person you want to add as a friend and tap the plus icon underneath their avatar. After you do that, you will be able to send friend request to the person. The person will receive your friend request. Once they accept it, you'll both appear on each other's friend list. So that's how you successfully sent a friend request on Roblox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.